We live, we live, we live. Market is open. Okay, let's see if I can. Excellent. Let's see if I can pass some of this next target is 70.34. See if we can pass. I don't know if we're gonna get there, but so how's 18? We broke the 18. We tested. Hit 20. $21 is having 21 is a little top up here at 21. We got some, may have some resistance. May have some resistance at this 21. May have some resistance. We're trying to go up, but let's see if it break above this 21 on a daily. On a daily, we got this open 21.25. Okay, let's see 21, 21.50. I'm gonna see if I can get, because I think we got 21. That 21 we had some 21.25.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see. I know we're going up, and I'm kind of going against the grain here. We may get past it, but we had like 21.25. Let's see. Uh, 21.25, but I'm on the wrong side. Okay.
Order filled.
Take the longs, take the longs, take the longs. It's strong. Take the longs. Okay, just waiting. Just waiting. Popped up about 3 or 4 points over that resistance I was looking at 21 and a quarter. $21 and a quarter when as high as 24.75. Next stop is 31 if we can get there. Next 15-minute bar opens up in about less than a minute. So this high is 15. We back into the value area. There's a trade, but I was in too early. Tried to get it at the resistance, but it went a couple of points above that resistance level here. Waiting for the to see, got some news coming out. I'm gonna let it settle down because I don't want to get chopped out. $10 a.m. housing markets. IMF meetings all day. Crude oil inventories 10:30. Gonna close the gap. Back in this range, back in overnight range. Over 10, we can keep going to the 20. We got some major support resistance between 10 and 14, 15. Can maybe even go between 7,000 and 714. We might be in this range for a minute. 7,000, about 7,000, between 714. This is the range. I saw this range on the daily chart here before even looking at. So where we at? We are here, well, 710 and 7. Where was that? 7,000 to 714 in between here. About 715 and this area here. So this is what I'm looking at. This is where we are. And if you come back, you can see that we right here, this bar, we dipped in. So we're in this area here. We was in overnight. So this is what I was looking at earlier. This high. Or was it this one? No, it was this high. So let's see where the market wants to go. If it wants to get back over 15 and 17, because this had a rejection at 17, 18. So between this 15 and 18, between this 15 and 18, we got to get above this area here and stay over it. Let me see between this right here. Looking to close the gap. But did we close the gap? I think we did close the gap. 25.75. Well, I'm saying 25.75. I'm looking at the S&P. Came out, but we came below. Came below the value area. Came above the value area. Now we just back in the value area. That this came down to 650. I went to the wrong chart. Wrong chart. From here, maybe a little too tight. Let's see if we kind of here, and it's let's see which direction it wants to go. This could be a shakeout bar. Still like the bullish bars on the 4 hour. 10 o'clock opens up in about 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So they came down, made another low. We in this, but I like this long right here over 11 because this is, I like this red. This came down pin bar. Now we above. If we break above this 15, I just don't want to get, I don't want to get faked out. It can go. I've been getting faked out a lot, and this may be the 15 over 15 to keep going. and we're going back above the volume node. I just want to see if it closed. It may close high. If it don't, we may miss the move. Testing this 18, which may can get above it. His next stop is 30, 34, but when? One minute. $15 minutes. Let's see if the 15-minute bar wants to, 4-hour bar wants to open up. The high on here is 19. Okay, broke out of the value high. The value area coming back into the value area. I'm going to move this right here and see if we continue to get this higher low, stay above. We got 15. We'll see if we stay above 15 and hold this 15 and see if we get a flat. That's not really a top break, but now we in this level here, this area. Came out, came back in. Trying to hold that 15. Got some orders trying to reject the 15. Okay, came back in, back out. It can be bullish, but it can also chop around. And you know, I would see which side is going to get squeezed right now. It looked bullish, but kind of indecisive still too. So like I say we're still in between on the daily chart. We breaking out a little bit. It's 15, but let's see. Okay, now we got a green red. If we get an engulfing bar on the 3-minute, this high is what? This 19. I'll be 4 points above 15. But to get in 15 and got to put your stop at 10. That's 5 points that I don't want to risk, but we're getting over. Okay, we still hanging around here. Look like it's trying to make some a move down. Let's see. See where it wants to go. May come back to test 7,000. But we got this 10. This right here, we got the pivot point. This 1025 VWAP. That's the VWAP pivot point. The lines is the VWAP pivot point. The pivots with the solid line is the standard VWAP. That 15. We keep coming back testing. Are we holding this 14, 15 level? We keep dipping back in. Haven't broke. Well, what did this come down to? 1150. So it came to get right below the 12. See, it's too much chopping here, and it's too much chopping here. I want to see. It's too much chopping here. Staying right now, it got a bigger pennant that is just tightening up, and it's inside this bar. High 18, low 12, so we got an inside bar. This came outside a little bit, half a point, but now we're back inside. This is I ain't gonna say tricky, but to break it as high would be optimum, but that's 18 when I know that 15 is a good entry point for the break, but it can get the 18 3 points and just get rejected, which is something I don't want to happen. And the high on here is 19, so the open is 17, so we can, you know, come up and get to this 17, 50, 18 and just get rejected. And then in that sense, I gotta look for 20. But let's see. This look like it could be, no, this look like it's setting up, but it's gonna fake some people out. These algorithms gonna fake somebody out. I don't want to be the one. This could be turning over, or it could bounce off the 50, the middle, and give it some pop. But let's see. It's timing. Always out of line. It's timing. As much as I would like to take it, let me see, 12. I'll have to put my stop under 12. I like this down, higher, low, consolidation, and then boom, up to 34. Just trying to see if they're going to try to get any more shorts out, or is they ready to squeeze. That's 17. Where did it go? 1775 and had the rejection had that rejection. So that's what I want to see that rejection first. And once they get those orders out, they reject it and get out the way. Now they may move out the way once they got the rejection, the first one. I don't know if it's going to get back to 16, but I think they may have rejected and got those orders out the way. Let's see.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order failed.
I wanted to move it because it might still might not be ready to go. Still might not be ready to go. Maybe third time. I tried the second time. Let's see. Let's see if it's ready. Let's see if it's ready. I'm at 17. 1750, 2725. Let's see if it's ready to go. I wanted the 15. I would have been up 2 points already. Let's see if this 15-minute bar is ready. 4-hour bar rather. 4-hour bar, or if it's still shaking, if it's not ready to break out. Maybe I should have waited, like you say, wait for the break and then for the retest. We bouncing off. Let's see if we can get some. We turning up over here. Let's see if we can get the move. Okay. Let's see if we can get it back up to the. Are we ready to break this 18? Let me see if I can bring it up here. This 18, okay, we're above the 18, 17 quarter. Okay, we're above 17 quarter. Can we get past the 20 and that 21 again? This right here. Can we get past this 21 high right here? Well, this high is 20.75. Trying to stuff a little bit at 20. Trying to give us some problems at 20. Trying to give us some problems at 20. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not going to add any more, just one contract. See if we can make new highs. See if we're ready to make new highs. The target is actually 30. We should be able to hit the 31. Where am I? 27? $23, we may have some. Let me see, we may be able to hit 30. Trying to be a little greedy, which I shouldn't be. 20, I'm in at 20, I'm in at 1750, so 28.75 because I want one tick. Let's see. I'm in at 1750. Right. So okay, so 1750. So 27.75. I'm not gonna move my stop. I'm gonna keep it here. R2 is 31. So I'm kind of front running and see if we can get past it. I'm gonna move my stop up. Really don't want to because we could get it a push back down. We could get a little dip up here. But if it get past that 24, just want to get the 10 points if we can get past here. They got 3 points past the resistance last time. Let's see if we can do it this time. Do we get it? Do we get the 3 points past resistance like last time? This 3-minute bar is stretched out. I just need 27.25. That's it. We're not stretching it. We got a little bit above it. Do we keep going? Now, I could take my out when this gets here to take wherever the price is. When this gets up and over, if we get there, that could also be an exit strategy. Okay. See, there we go. There go that little pullback. Not little, but because we did hit the resistance. My target could have been 25, you know, and say let's get out of 25. Can't get to 10 because I wasn't in that 15. But the next resistance is at 30. If we don't get past this 24 right here, I'm moving my stop. Just in case we don't get past this 20. We probably could, but I don't want to take any chances because I don't like to be holding. I like to get in, get out. That's an OG's classic. But let's go. Let's see if we can keep going. We getting some we holding up, but we stalling. I don't like the stall. I don't like these stall. Come on. If we get this 10 points, one loss, one win, good for the day. Still in the profit. If this don't make 10 points, then I'll take another trade because I haven't gotten the 10 points.
Order filled.
Okay. Got stopped out on that trade. Well, trailing stop. And now we may have another flat top break here. Could have waited to move my stop until this bar closed, but there's no telling where this bar is going to close or how far it can come down. Could have moved my stop up a little bit, but I mean, could have, let me see, where would it be open? 21, but I wanted to get as much as I could too because I was down. So it came back down to touch what? 1950. See? Not going to 30 if it goes as easy as I would want it to. And there we go. 23. Okay, now it went over. So I would have been out. Where did it go? Did it go over this bar? I went over this bar. Target hit, but I got stopped out on that pullback. Trailing the stop tight though. Trailing the stop tight. So now just got to sit on the hands because 24 to 31 is only 25 to 31. Breaking new highs, but I don't want to be in it. So I will sit and see if we have a pullback that can go higher and look like it may hit my target at 27 and 75. Got a buyer up here, huh? Got a buyer, 188 at 70.2350. $25, $26. Now this bar should go. And there it is. That bar went. That was the bar. It hit 31. Target was hit. I got stopped out on a tight trailing stop at this bar. Boom. At that bar. Yup, at that bar. This little one. Now that that is completed, there's no trade to take. There's no trade to take. You just have to wait. No trade to take. No trade to take. Probably be up 24 points. And we can keep going. We could get 8 more points. We can get to 40. That'll give us about 7,000 on the SPX. If we're looking to hit 7,000 on the SPX, it's about 8 more points. So it's possible to get 30 to 40. It's possible, but we have to get past this resistance up here if we get rejected. That's if SPX wants to reach 7,000, which I think it will. I don't know when. It can keep going now, or it can pull back and then do it later. But I'm just not buying up here. That 30 to 40 on the S&PX look like it may go. But the question is when. So timing is timing. Timing. To go higher may need to come back. This price discovery, they call it to get some more liquidity. They call it to squeeze the liquidity out. They call it. So another 15-minute bar opens up in 1 minute, about 30 seconds. Now we here make a high, right? I know you can see it. Made a high here, but we didn't make a new high. We made a new high here, but we did make a new high on the stochastic. So showing some weakness. Oh no, we hold on. Let me spread this out just to make sure I'm saying. All right, made a high. We made a new high. No, we made a new high on the stochastics here, and we made a new high here. But we made new highs over here, but not new highs on the stochastic. It's a nice stretch right there at 30. It's a long bar. Look like that 30, but I'm not buying into resistance. Not doing it. In this market, hey, it may just blow right through it. Who knows? But I'm not. You see, we got some orders sitting at this R1, this resistance, this 34.75. Let's see what's up here. 198, 251. Got a couple of orders stacked. 251, 205. Maybe the same seller too. 245, 216. Maybe the same seller. This is not orders up here. This is the total sum of sell orders that's coming into the market. That's the total of all the blue on this side. If you go down, you can't see all of it, but this is the total of right here. This is the total of the buyers on this side. So that would be considered your delta. Buyers versus sellers in the order. In orders. Following the order flow. Following the order flow. Your order flow. Follow the order flow because your order flow. That was my trade. Didn't get to hold on to it. What am I looking for? Okay. Okay. What do we want to do? Is he trying to bully his way through? Is he trying to bully his way through? Wait, okay, we're getting some pullback here. Getting some pullback here. All right, just waiting. Nothing to do. Hey, breakout trend line. But do we want to short this market? Had a nice dump from set 30 to 20. Oh, missed it. right here. 2075. Mr. 2075. This is nice. But we still got some resistance, like 4 or 5 points away. Don't wanna buy into resistance. No shorts. I'm not going shorts. Not going short. I want to see. Missed this 20. It's 2075 on this cross right here. Mark came down. I wasn't watching. Is this the 30 to 40? Could be. Do I want to play this? No. Could be. If the resistance was higher, if there was no resistance here and it was up in this area 10 points, then my targets would be up. But got to get above the resistance area now. And the way the market looks, it looks like it may. And we got strength here. We got strength here on a stochastic. So, but they know, you know, algorithms see the pattern and say, okay, people gonna jump in. Either they hold it or they may need more liquidity to move higher. We're only up 26 points. So we can move another 30 points. We could get to 70, 50. Wouldn't put it past it. We can get another 25 points. Okay. Breaking at 30. 30 to 31. $32. We get past it. Hey, got the resistance right here, 34.75. Pivot point. We got that 20 to 30. Didn't catch that. Hey, got rejected up here. And got rejected up here. Do we get another flat top break? I need to see price get above 35, hold 35, and maybe if it wants to get to 50, because next target is 65. Next target is 65. Now timing. Not gonna see if it does. We got to get above it. It came down to me a little low, so I moved the bar a little lower. This bar goes here. Look at that. I'm not taking any trend bar breaks because we're in the uptrend. We'll see if we come and start to make a flat top break. Okay, testing that over under 30, that 30 level. Okay, holding at 30. Man, my fingers is itching, but I do not want to buy into resistance. But the way this market going, it can go. It can go. We got another green, red, green. We can just barcode here, or we can get this pop over 33. Well, I usually didn't have this art here, so 34 is actually right here is the target. What my target was before I started also using the Fibonacci levels for pivots. So we can test. You see that we got orders up here trying to defend that or front run, not trying to front run the 34.75. These orders, these two orders here too. Seems like the same buyers, sellers in the market. They're trying to reject the stuff this right here. 31 quarter. Okay. I like this setup here. We got some bar green, red, green, red. Another 15-minute bar is opening up. This bar we got an inside bar here. Open 31, close 29. Point of control moved up to 29 quarter. Shorts look nice, but I'm not taking any shorts. Not taking any shorts. Not this market. I'll wait for a pullback in a long. Just no. Look at this wide bell curve. But is it wide? It's wild because sometimes it'll look wide. It got something to do with metaphysics. However it worked. All right, so this is 31 and this is 28. 28, 29, 30, 31. It's only 3 points. But what happens is that sometimes this is seem wide at 3 points, sometimes it be short, depending on depending on volatility. This type of pattern got me yesterday. At the bottom though. Because I took a long here. It was lower. It was lower though, but it was a 15-minute bar. and I got stopped out. Then this bar came, stopped me out, but then it kept going. It did keep going. I like this pattern. It's a bullish pattern. It came and got these orders out here. It may squeeze them out. Got to get past the 30. But it may need this to blow past this resistance. It may need to come back and get some more orders down here below 20 to blow past. Let's see. And it may go. I just got one more trade, and I don't want to risk it on. We got rejection, rejection. We got wicks on both sides. We got resistance up here. And I like it. It's not the highest probability. I like it, but it's not the highest probability. Like the setup, but it's not the highest probability. I like it over 30, but it's not the highest probability. Barcode, green, red, green, red, green, red. Just say we could bar this barcode right here. Look at this. I would like this 35 to 45 because it may want to test 50, but I don't want to. If it hold above 35 and go to 45, I think that'll be this 30 to 40 seems like it's gonna go. When this looked like it may go, but it also can pull back. Just not. Let me see. We're already up here. We're already well. We could pull back, or we can just consolidate here for a while. Don't want to get. I just don't want to get I need 10 points. I need 10 points. Need 10. 10. But I don't want to need another cycle. I want to see a cycle. I want to see a cycle in a 3-minute. Even a cycle in a 15-minute would be good. A rollover. There we go. Just pulling back. Get back to 20. I'm not shorting. I'm not shorting. We can get back to 20, but I am not shorting. Like I said, to get past this resistance, it may need to get some liquidity under here, like it did earlier. It came down and got this liquidity in this back in this area. Tested 200. Now we back up. Can come back down to the 15 of VWAP. Can come back to 20, back to VWAP to 15. And look at this slippage, 37.50 on the sim and down $7 on can't find, okay, I'm about to say I can't find my mouse. Okay, how far did we get down low? We came down to 26. That was a nice dip below 30 to try to get some what is below here? 26. Yep, came below this bar. Is that enough for the squeeze? Is that enough for the squeeze? Shakeout bar. I call it shakeout bar. Shakeout bar before the move. And I'm just itching to take it, but you know what I'm gonna do? Let me. But this is coming down, so this is look like you want to go, but this is this is coming down. Look at this. Got some divergence here. This is flat, and this is coming down. So this could come back up and boom, give it some momentum. There we go. It popped to 34 quarter. We got another 15-minute bar in 2 minutes. So pop to 34. Want to see it hold over 35 over the resistance area, and now and make it support. Yeah, got 4 points to get to 6,700 on the S&P. So 70-40 is 6,700 on the S&P, and that's why I was like 30 to 40. Will most likely play out, but it's just when it most likely will play out, because the market, they want to see that 7,000 on the S&P/X. Institutions, they want to see that touch. It's about 5 points away. Here we go. Not looking to take this bar higher. The 15-minute bar is nice. Man, that bar could this bar could go up if it breaks. It may shake around here a little bit. We did get 30 to 35, 5 points. 40 is the target. Ah, here we go. Here we go. Ah, getting orders buying and selling up here. It's gonna pop. It may pop. Let's see. May go to 50. I can get 15 points if we can get to 50 today.
Order submitted.
If I can take it. Hold up.
Order canceled.
Ah, closer to the. Let me see. What's this? I want to see it closer to the VWAP. I mean to pivot point. Let's see. I want to see if it breaks below the pivot. I wanted to test the pivot first before it go high. It may test the pivot. Okay, there we go. Wanted to see it break the pivot first. And we got this high, 55, 35. Want to see it. That's what I wanted to see it. Get rejected over and under the pivot. Because we may be able to get to 50. But the question is when. We're gonna have some rejection at 7,000. Still, oh, okay. We opened up over. We opened up over. To see if we go over and under, or if we stay above it. Over and under this resistance pivot point. R1. R2 is a little ways away. And from the 30, it's only 5 points, so that's not even really a lot.
Order filled.
So I'm in. Let's see if I get. I'm keeping it tight because I'm keeping it tight because I don't want to low 450 quarter. I'm keeping it tight just in case we just not ready to go up here. Could have held down for the next 15-minute bar because this one is just shaking. Close on here is 84.75. Not the best trade. 35 to 45. 35 to 40. What am I in at? 34.25. 34.25. 34.75. If we stay above the support level, then I think we go. If we break below the support level, then I'm going to be out. I don't want it to come back. Shouldn't come back. If this holds on a 15-minute chart, may not be ready to go. Let's see. I don't like this. I don't like this chop here because it's chopped. So we're going to get chopped up here. We're going to get chopped up here. I like this if it can pop. If it can go either way. But the pop is, it can go either way. It could dump or it can get that boost. It can go either way. That right there can go either way. And we already up, so we made this move, this pop that missed from 30 to 35. So just to show what I'm also trying to rely on, which they may or may not be ready. SPX can get to 7,000, which is only like 2 points away. It may bounce off the 7,000, or it may break through it. It says it's really right there now. Wow, 98. So we could get some ejection right here because of the 7,000 on SPX. That's kind of what I'm worried about, concerned about. Let me show. SPX right now is at 69.99. So if we can break 99, then we can get a push. If not, it's going to pull back in. If they first want to give the rejection, so that's what it looks like. It's going to reject the 7,000, and then possibly go later if it wants to go. But that rejection, well, we kind of not blew through, but we had 702 that was resistance yesterday. So in ES, so we can also get, there we go. Yeah, it's 69 got some ejection.
Order
so
filled.
All right. Yep. That's 7,000 on SPX didn't hold. Got rejected. I still think we can get 35 to 45 if we can get over 7,000, but we may get a little pullback or some type of pullback rejection off this 90, off this 7,000 on SPX. This how it happens. Now it's gonna run without me because I was in early. Came, stopped me out, and it may be ready to go now, and I won't be in it. So basically, I'm watching 7,000 on the S&P SPX. If it break the 7,000 SPX, then we could probably get to 50 from 40, another 10 points. but it'll put me in not the best position because I went to 35 to 45 would be front running the 50, which would be a little better for 10 points. But we see we getting a lot of trading in this 35.75 area. Do we get past 7,000? That's the question. It's wild because we was at 99 and wasn't even at 37. Now we at 98 and not even at 99. Not gonna be in it. Not gonna be in it. We at 99. We at 99. We at 99 on the SPX. Hasn't broken it yet. Hasn't hit 7,000 on SPX. Rejected. 7,000 hasn't broken on SPX yet. Keep getting rejected at the 7,000 on the SPX. So we're getting a rejection. I'm going to move this from that bottom too. We came back down into this level, into the breakout level. If this 4-hour bar don't go, may have to wait. This may have to wait. This could just stay around this area and just shake up here and not break. $30. Back down to 90 on SPX. And the thing is, it didn't even hit 7,000. So we haven't touched 7,000 on the SPX. Haven't touched it. The high we got on SPX is, the highest we got on SPX was 99.84. So we haven't touched it. So I think we still want to touch it because we haven't touched it. I don't think 84 is the end. I don't think 84 is the end. And I want to try
Order
to get
submitted.
I want to try to get
Order
a 31
filled.
bounce. I want to try to get a 31 bounce. If I can get 2 points, I just want to try to get in 31, 34. I'm taking this bounce off of this cross right here. See if we can get above it. See if we can stay above it. Got some orders stacking up here, 32, 33. Matter of fact, 31 might get back to 41. Let's see, 41. Well, we break. Let's see if we make new highs, 31, 41 quarter. Maybe we make new highs. What am I in at? I'm in at 31. No, I don't want to take too much of a loss. Do we get above 30? Do we stay above 30? That's the question. Do we stay above 30 and start going up and make new highs? Do we get above 30 and make new highs, or do we need to stay lower? We haven't touched 7,000, so I'm looking for it to touch 7,000. This may come on. Well, this one bar may not do it, and we may have some stalling up here, but come down to test some lows and let's go higher. We at 95. Let's see if we want to test 7,000 again. Let's see if we want to test 7,000. So I'm in at 31. Let's see if we want to get to 41. We at the top of the value node. Let's see if we can get past there. I don't think this one bar is going to just go straight up. So I'm going to have to take a little bit of little time. Let's go. Okay, we opened up a little higher. Let's see if we can stay. Let's see if we can stay over 30. Come on now. Let's see if we can stay over 30. Let's see if we can stay. Let's go see if we can stay. We want to test 7,000 on the SPX. We want to test 7,000 on the SPX. All right. We got buyers coming in. Come on. You want to test 7,000 on the SPX, right? Don't we want to do that? Don't like your shaking. Come on, go. Well, shaking is good when it can shake and pop. Get over that 33 and clear some of them orders out. Get back up into this. We get back up into this 36 area. Come on. SPX want to touch 7,000. SPX want to break 7,000. SPX wants to break 7,000. Come on. Shakeout bar. Come on, shakeout bar. Boom. 1, 2. Shakeout bar. Let's do it again. New highs. Shakeout bar. 1, 2. New highs. Shakeout bar. New highs. Let's go. Don't know how long we'll be in this trade, but let's see if we can break new highs. We at this resistance level. Okay, come on. We going up into 97 on SPX. 41. I was going from 45 to 55. 37 to 40. 41 and a quarter. The way it's going, we might, let me see, 702. We might get 50 if it, do I want to be a little greedy? Come on. High value node. This is resistance right here. Do we get rejected, or do we get that move? Do we get gonna get squeezed out? Do we get the squeeze? Rejection or squeeze? Rejection or squeeze? Watching this 35.75 level. That is, and I want to be greedy, and I'm not even going. If it break 37, we can possibly get to 50. I'm gonna go 40. I'm gonna trail it, but I'm gonna go 40. I'm gonna go 48, 50. Just front run 50, but I'm gonna also trail my stop. Because if we break, we at 7,000. I wanted to break 7,000. We shouldn't come back here. This should be that pop. I want it to go. This needs to be that pop. This needs to be the pop. Up until 7,002. This should be the pop. We had the red to green on a 15-minute bar. I'm just trying to squeeze as much as I can out of here. But I don't want, this shouldn't come back. The low on this bar is 575. We shouldn't come back. We shouldn't come back. 575. I'm at 5.25. We shouldn't come back. We need to make this happen. This is coming from the bottom. This is coming from the bottom. We at the top. We can get up into here. So this is looking strong. We breaking. We going. Come on. Let's get up to this 80.21. We at 65, 66. Let's get up to 80, 81. But just in case, I move my stop just in case, because I'm looking for this to go. This shouldn't come back. I don't want to hold on to it. I want it to go. Let me see. Below this bar, the open is 35.75. Okay, so I'm below this the 15-minute bar, and it shouldn't come back. It should go. I could be below this bar. This open is 35, which is right below 35, which is below this open, which would be a little better. I would give myself some breathing room, right? 35 would give me a little more breathing room below here. I like this bar. Come on. Like this bar. I like this bar. Engulfing bar. I like this pattern too. If we can just break, we just got to break the 37. Just getting rejected on that 7,000 on the SPX. The SPX is the kicker, is the struggle. SPX is the struggle. SPX is the struggle. Yeah, this getting rejected. SPX is the struggle up here. It may get rejected. I don't want to move my stop to 35. A couple of ticks, but SPX, if we can get to above 7,000 on SPX, we can go. And that SPX is getting rejected. 41, 30 is going down. It's not going 40, 99, 40. Can we get a pop? 42, 44, 36. It's holding right here. It's holding. It's not getting 44, 49. Okay, 50. Okay, let's see. They it's not that 7,000 is not breaking. It's not cracking yet. Mm-mm. It's down to 08, 98. It's not cracking. That 77 is not cracking. It's not cracking, y'all. It's not cracking. It's not cracking yet. I know my stop is tight, and we here. This is where price is holding.
Order filled.
Okay. Yeah, that's 7,000 is not. I should be in the green by something. Okay. So I am green. Let me see. Did it break? Yeah. No, let me see. If I would have put my stop below this open 35. Did it get 35? Low. It touched 35. So if I was at 35, 75 right below the pivot, would I have got touched? No. It's not over yet, but 7,000 is on the SPX. Just holding. That's okay. I'm green 148.50. I'm gonna take that. Look at this. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's see. It's still haven't broken 7,000 on SPX. We got a little shoulder, got a cup and handle, and there we go. There we go. There we go. Still hasn't broken 7,000, but 7,000. Still hasn't broken 7,000 yet. We at 98.84. At 98.84. Hey, next stop 70.65. For it to do that, it's gonna need some power. $7,000 on XPX is a doozy. I'm not taking this up here. My day is over. I'm up 148.50. I'll take that for the day and just go ahead with it. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.